In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on TradingView. Whether you're updating your contact details or transitioning to a new email service, this straightforward process will guide you through each step to ensure everything goes smoothly. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to TradingView.com. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, where you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu houses essential options for managing your account, and from here, select Settings and Billing. Next, you'll find yourself in the Settings hub of your TradingView account. Here, look for the option labeled Account Settings and give it a click. This section is crucial because it holds the key to updating personal information linked to your account, including your email address. Once inside Account Settings, search for the Change Email option. By selecting this, you're initiating the process of altering your registered email address. The platform will prompt you to secure this change by requesting a verification code. To obtain this code, simply click on Get Code. TradingView will then send a verification code to your current registered email. After receiving your code, return to TradingView and enter it in the designated field. This step ensures that the person requesting the email change is indeed you. Once you've verified your identity with the code, the next thing you need to do is to input your new email address. Make sure you've typed it correctly, because this is how TradingView will communicate with you moving forward. After you've entered your new email, provide your current password. This additional layer of security confirms that it's you making these changes. Finally, with your new email address and password filled in, it's time to finalize the change. Click on Update Now to save the changes. You should receive a confirmation email at your new address, verifying the update to your account. That's it. You've successfully changed your email address on TradingView. Remember to check both your old and new email addresses for any messages from TradingView, just to ensure everything is set up correctly. This process safeguards your account and guarantees that you're always updated with crucial information from TradingView. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in keeping your TradingView details up to date. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.